should keep it cool, babe. Now lose my swag and play the fool, babe. Just play the game and hold on, maybe. But I'm done with the waiting, done with the waiting.
Salty sponsored raffle that y'all have been participating in. So thank you again for the Salty Toes. Daniel.
So Magical at Sea 2023, the first one, and having a wonderful time.
I'm at So Magical at Sea 2023 and having a great time.
So let's level up to remain, 'cause I'm done with the waiting, done with the waiting. I'm done with playing nice, now look me in the eyes. Tell me what you see inside. Not gonna ask you twice, not looking for your lies. Tell me, do you wanna go?
We're having a fabulous time. Best thing so far has been the little tote bag we just painted up and doctored up. It's been fun. Everybody needs to come to So Magical at Sea.
So Magical at Sea, we just finished our Gallivanter passport wallet. We had so much fun and would highly recommend for you guys to join our next cruise.
But not just to make a wallet, but to make friends.
We got matching bracelets.
Yeah, we got matching bracelets.
Friends for life.
And we didn't know each other before, and now we do.
Can't get rid of her.
We're at So Magical at Sea 2023 bomb.com class. We're sewing this guy up and we're having a great time.
Hi, we're at So Magical at Sea 2023 and I just finished Lauren Mormino's bomb.com makeup bag and we're having a great time.
I'm loving So Magical at Sea. There's so much to do. Being on a cruise ship, you've got all the normal amenities they've got. You know, my wife has time to do her sewing and then still go do stuff. So we've got time together, and we've also got time, you know, that she can sew and I can go enjoy some of the things that are going on the ship.
So let's level up to remain, 'cause I'm done with the waiting, done with the waiting. I'm done with playing nice, now look me in the eyes. Tell me what you see inside. Not gonna ask you twice, not looking for your lies. Tell me.
Hola. So we're in the So Magical 2023 at Sea, and we're in the no-sew class. And we're having a great time. Hope to see you in December.
time.
See you next year at the December So Magical at Sea 2023. It's a lot of fun and a great group of people.
See you next time on So Magical at Sea.